Hello everyone, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to top 5 Taiwan's MRT station with unique public art. Taipei MRT is something essential for people living in Taipei. And besides the unique public art in some stations, each line has its own music to play when the train approaches the platform. Number 2, Songshan Station. Wow, it's such a spectacular art, and I believe there's no way that people wouldn't stop and admire this art for a few seconds. The name of this public art is called Winding River, Flourishing Flowers, Dome of Light. The name comes from the geography of Songshan, which all the beauty are brought together by the river. The public art connects Taipei MRT and Taiwan Railway, forming the corridor, so there is space for the light sculpture. The light effect varies in timing and different holidays. There are 50,250 LED lights with stainless steel to form this light sculpture. The light sculpture shows that Songshan is an area that's full with fascinating historical origin and characteristics. I'm really into this kind of public art that combines with public transportation. Not only does it add the fun in our life, but also let people from bustling city to be able to pause for a second and relax. This light sculpture was completed when Songshan Station was built in 2014. It is a good spot for commuters to sink in the artistic atmosphere.